In this short video, I will give you a high-level overview of the tools, services, features, and benefits that freedompath membership has to offer. Starting with the home dashboard. This dashboard gives each member a high-level overview of their journey to financial freedom, including their full 3B scores, live alerts, and access to a private members community that allows them to interact with other users and credit experts in real time, providing them a support system and place to go to ask questions, get answers, and share feedback with each other. The member experience is broken down into 3 main sections: Score Path, Wealth Path, and Life Path. Within Score Path, the first service available is 3-bureau credit monitoring. This service provides each user with full 3-bureau credit reports and scores, along with other tools like Score Simulator, which provides them an understanding of how taking certain actions, such as purchasing a home or opening a credit card, may affect their score. Alerts, which gives them live-time credit alerts, such as new inquiries or loans being reported, and Score Factors, which tells them exactly what is on their credit that is helping or hurting them, and what it is specifically they need to improve. Next, under the Credit Restoration tab, each user has access to a proprietary do-it-yourself credit restoration tool that allows the user to easily identify what negative items are being displayed on their credit reports and submit direct disputes to the credit bureaus, all with a few clicks of the mouse. This intuitive tool automatically displays what negative items are reflecting, allows the user to easily select the item for dispute, and although the user can manually choose the reason for dispute, offers up the best suggested dispute reason to them. All they need to do is click Process Dispute on each item. It's that simple. Once this is done, they can either print the letters and mail them to the bureaus, or use our auto mail feature, which will mail them on their behalf. Next, under the Credit Building tab, this service allows users to instantly increase their credit score by having rent and utilities, such as power, cable, and light bills, reported to the bureaus. Although the service is very simple and minimalistic, it can have a huge impact on improving their credit score based on bills they are already paying. Lastly, under the Credit Protection tab, each member has access to our dark web monitoring and identity protection tool. This service allows the user to enter their address, email, phone number, medical ID, social security number, driver's license, passport, credit and debit cards, and bank accounts for instant dark web monitoring and protection. In this digital day and age, users are shocked in how many places their information is being shared on the dark web. This tool offers them live alerts and protection, including a $1 million insurance policy to cover them in event of the unexpected identity theft. The next main section of the user experience is Wealth Path. The first service you'll see here is Wealth Budgeting. This interactive tool allows each member to connect their bank accounts and credit cards directly to the platform, which will import transactions daily to create custom spending and budgeting. Understanding spending habits and creating an accountable budget is crucial to financial well-being. Next, under the Wealth Building tab, the bill negotiation tool allows users to submit their current bills to be negotiated and lowered, on average, saving them roughly 30% annually on each bill. This service alone can be beneficial at saving the member hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per year. Moving on to the Wealth Monitoring tab. This feature allows users to track their total outstanding debt as being reported to each bureau, as well as calculate their total debt-to-income ratio. Understanding your total debt and overall debt to income is crucial in building credit and bettering your chances for loan approval. Lastly, under the Wealth Planning tab, each user has access to hundreds of financial calculators. Almost any financial situation a person would need to plan for, such as a mortgage, auto loan, student loan, 401k, and many more, are accessible through this feature. Understanding your situation, improving it, and planning for the future is the key to financial wellness. The final section of the user experience is Life Path. The first service you'll see here is Travel Planning. This interactive tool is a complete travel booking and savings platform that allows you to book your travel at savings up to 20% above what you may be able to find online. Next, under the Local Savings tab, this tool allows you to enter your location and what corresponding places you may be shopping at to instantly receive coupons and savings with just one click of the mouse. Lastly, the Life Insurance tab allows each member to obtain a quote and purchase life insurance directly through our platform, helping them better protect their family and the strong financial future they are building. One of the final benefits and most important benefits is education. Through our partnership with John Alzheimer, a former FICO and Equifax executive, we are constantly releasing new educational content relating to credit and financial well-being. We believe education is not only important, but necessary in truly helping people having a better understanding of their financial situation and helping them craft the best options to improve it. So now that you've seen the amazing tools, services, features, and benefits that FreedomPath has to offer, what are you waiting for? Reach out to the advisor that introduced you to get started today.